A glorious and colorful good afternoon to everyone. Today, who is standing before you is V. TSWREIS, studying in 8th standard at Kamadanam Institution. Today, I am standing before you to teach a topic in mathematics. Friends, nowadays, most of us have maths phobia, right? Yes, nowadays, most of us have maths phobia. Today, I am standing here not to teach you a topic or a lesson. Today, I am standing here to remove your phobia, mathematics phobia. Once, there was a cute little boy who had many nightmares about mathematics. In his first and second standard, he was good at his studies. But in his third standard, he was not good at his studies. He used to play. He had many dreams about mathematics. He had dreams like he attempted a mathematics test. In that test, he was failed. Like this, the boy got many nightmares about mathematics. The boy grew up. In his 10th standard, he got 50%. In the intermediate, with the fear of mathematics, he took the course which doesn't have mathematics. But in his future, he became a great architect. Friends, can you guess who is the boy? Yes, he is none other than Mr. Hafiz, the great architect of our India and the hero of our story. Like Mr. Hafiz, there are many members out there who had nightmares about mathematics. Friends, just have a look at this slide. What can you observe from these pictures? Yes, we can say that the kids are afraid about mathematics. Yes, they are afraid about mathematics. Okay, what is your favorite subject? When I pose this question to my friends, their answers are, I like biology, I like Telugu, I like English, I like physics, I like Hindi, etc. etc. They also said the reasons why they like the subject. They like biology because there are many experiments to do. They like Hindi, English, Telugu because there are many stories to listen and enjoy it, right? Yes, they enjoy the class by listening to many stories. Okay, how many of you like mathematics? Only few of us like mathematics, right? Yes, only few of us like mathematics. Even I too don't like mathematics in some situations because there are formulae, equation, ratio, proportion, powers and exponents, etc. etc. Why? Why the students are afraid of math? A student can only know why he or she is afraid about mathematics. For this, I have conducted a survey in my school. Look, I have conducted a survey in my school for my classmates. For that, I have prepared a question paper on basic knowledge. I am shocked by looking at the results. Look, 44% of students are good at math, but 56% of students are poor at math. The ASER survey, Annual Survey of Education report, which have been conducted in 2018, shows that 71% of students who are studying in 8th standard in rural region are able to read second class level textbook, and 56% of students of the same standard are able to do simple division problems. See how the performance level of students is decreasing day by day. By the results of ASER survey and the opinion of the students, we are able to know that some factors are affecting their performance, right? Yes, some factors are affecting their performance. So today my topic is factors affecting performance in mathematics. For this, my objectives are to make everyone not too afraid of mathematics. Friends, today I am going to make you not too afraid of mathematics and to know how to reduce the factors which are affecting in math. First of all, let us know what are the factors which are affecting the student performance. Friends, just have a question in your mind. What are the factors which are affecting your performance, my performance and our performance in mathematics? There may be many factors like student attitude, teacher-student interaction, prior knowledge of the student, basic knowledge of the student, etc. etc. Today, we are going to discuss few among them. Lack of student attitude. Student attitude is the main one in the class. If the student attitude is positive, like keeping interest on the subject, listening carefully to the class, 50% of he or she can be good at the subject. If the student attitude is negative, like chit-chatting with others, not keeping interest on the subject, he or she can't be good at the subject because the student attitude is negative. Next, student interest on the subject. It is also a major factor. If the student interest is like sleepy, boring, he or she can't be good at the subject because there is no interest on the subject. Next, no interaction between the teacher and the student. A teacher enters the class with many expectations and many preparations, right? Yes, if the teacher says that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab going on continuously, how can the student understand the concept? Does the teacher posing any question? No. Does the student raising any question? No. Like this, there is no interaction between a teacher and a student. Next, negative feelings on the subject. Coming to math, students feel that, oh, math, it is a confusing subject. How can I solve that big problems and how can I remember such formulae? Like this, the student have negative feelings on the math in his mind. With these negative feelings, the students are becoming poor at mathematics and they are not able to do simple problems in the mathematics. Next, last but not the least, family environment. It is also a major factor. A student learn many things in the class with the help of the teacher. At the end of the day, the teacher gives a homework, right? Yes, the teacher gives a homework. As usual, the student reaches his home, he throws the bag away and starts watching TV. He forgets about the homework. Next day, in the class, he may forget what he had learned yesterday and he may not able to learn the next concept also. By this, the family environment is also a major factor in which the factors which are affecting the student performance. Friends, not only these factors, some common mistakes are also done by our students. There are many types of mistakes are there which have been done by our students. Common mistakes. Missing negative sign. If the question is 2 plus minus 7, they write it as 2 plus minus 7 is equal to 2 minus 7 equal to 5. Here they miss the negative sign. The correct answer is 2 minus 7 is equal to minus 5. Subtracting incorrectly. If the question is subtract 2 from 5, they write it as 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 3. No, it is wrong. The question is subtract 2 from 5. So, the answer will 2 minus 5 is equal to 3. Next, no idea of place value. If the question is 34 plus 28, they write it as 34 plus 28 is equal to 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. They write it here only because they don't have any idea about place value. Friends, can you guess what is the correct answer? Yes, it is 62. Next, forget to carry. If the question is 34 plus 27, they write it as 34 plus 27 is equal to 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Here they miss the 1 which is remaining. So the correct answer is yes, it is 61. Next, we all know that every problem has a solution, right? Yes, every problem has a solution. Today we have a problem, that is factors affecting the student performance. Can we solve this problem? Yes, we can solve it. How? How can we reduce the factors which are affecting the student performance? Just think 1 second. There are many ways to reduce these factors. like motivating the student, interacting with the student, questioning and understanding, teaching in different ways. Today, we are going to discuss few among them. Change the method of teaching. If the teacher gives a solution and leave the class, the student feels that, oh, I should learn this solution only. Like this, the brain of the student is becoming munging. No, this is not at all a proper way to teach a student. There are many types of learners are there in our classroom, right? Yes, there are many types of learners are there in our classroom. They like to learn by doing activities, by singing poems and rhymes, by visualizing, by implementing the concept in their daily life, etc., etc. So, the teacher should change her method of teaching. She can teach in many ways, like she can teach by doing activities, by singing poems and rhymes, by implementing it in their daily life, by doing abacus and Vedic maths. Next, abacus and Vedic maths are the successful running camps in our society. With these camps, the students are able to learn maths easily and clearly. So, we should thank our secretary sir for giving us such type of camps. Next, friends, we know that there are many tricks are there in mathematics, right? Yes, there are many tricks are there in mathematics. Today, I want to show you some techniques. Are you ready? Here it is. Solving the squares which end with 5. If the question is 25 square, most of us do like this only. Look, 25 square is equal to 25 into 25. 5 25s are 125. 2 25s are 50. And then add them. At last we get 625. This will take much time for us to do it. I want to show you simple technique to solve the squares which end with 5. Do you want to see it? Okay, here it is. Solving the squares which end with 5. Okay, first multiply the last digit. What is the last digit in this number? Yes, it is 5. 5 square is equal to 25. Multiply the first digit with the next number. What is the next number after 2? Yes, it is 3. 2 3s are 6. And at last the answer is 625. See how simple it is. Do you want to see another technique? Okay, here it is. Pascal's triangle. The Pascal's triangle was invented by Pascal. Friends, have a look at this picture. What can you observe from this picture? Yes, these are the exponents of 11. We all know that 11 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. 11 to the power of 1 is equal to 11. 11 square is equal to 121. Let us know how it is. First, write the first digit as 1 and then 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 and the last digit is 1. Next, 11 cube is equal to, write the first digit as 1 and next 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Write the last digit as 1 and so on. Friends, we all know that 11 cube is equal to 11 into 11 into 11. Are we multiplying 11 thrice? No, we are not multiplying the 11 thrice. With the help of Pascal's triangle only, we are solving the exponents of 11. With this Pascal's triangle only, we get ones, counting numbers, triangular numbers and so on. Friends, now add the numbers in the row. In the first row, 1. In the second row, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 4. 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 8. See here, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on. These are the exponents of 2. 2 cube is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, right? Yes. Are we multiplying the 2 thrice? No. We are not multiplying the 2 thrice. With the help of the Pascal's triangle only, we are solving the exponents of 2. Friends, there are many applications are there with the Pascal's triangle. It is looking like a magic, right? Yes, it is looking like a magic. Do you want to learn such magics? Okay, with these magics only, we may become magicians, mathematics magicians. And next, interacting with the students. Not only teaching the students, interacting with the students is also very important. The teacher can pose many questions in the middle like what you have learned today. How can you implement the concept in your daily life? Can you give examples for the concept? Like this, the teacher can pose many questions in the middle. With these questions, the student can learn too many things. Next, questioning and understanding. A student has many doubts in his mind, right? Yes, the student has too many doubts in his mind. If he doesn't raise his hand and ask a question, the doubts in his mind remain with him only. In the next class, he may not able to learn the concept with his doubts. So, questioning and understanding is also very important. He can ask many questions to the teacher. With these questions, he can learn many things and the teacher feels that I should give them my best. Last but not the least, motivate the students. Motivating the student is also very important. A teacher and a parent can motivate the students in many ways. They can tell how they use mathematics in their daily life, why mathematics is important and what is the use of mathematics. Like this, the student gets motivated by the parent or a teacher. He tried to be good at mathematics. Friends, we have known that how to reduce these factors, right? Yes, we have known how to reduce the factors. Why? Why should we reduce these factors? What will happen if we do not reduce these factors? Does mathematics is important? Yes, it is. Mathematics is very important in our daily life. Look, we start our day with time. If we want to construct a big building, we have to measure the land. If you want to prepare a delicious cake, we prepare it in a perfect shape. If you want to buy new clothes, we count money and give them. At last, we end our day with time. Look this, time, measurements, counting money, shapes, these all are related to mathematics. See how we are using mathematics in our daily life. Agriculture. What do the farmers do? Yes, the farmers cultivate the land. Watering fields is also part of a cultivation. Do we pour water as a wish? No, we do not pour water as a wish. We pour water as a quantity. What is the benefit of this crop? Yes, we get food from the crop. We eat food to survive on the earth. While preparing the food, we add salt for the taste. Do we add salt as our wish like a full packet? No, we do not add salt as a wish. We add salt like spoon, teaspoon, etc. etc. Not only food, we also get fiber from the crop, right? Yes, we also get fiber from the crop. With that fiber, today we are wearing these clothes to protect from the weather. While stitching the clothes, measurement is also very important. Look here, quantity, spoon, teaspoon, measurements, these all are related to mathematics. Okay friends, what will happen if we do not learn mathematics? There are many problems are there if we don't learn mathematics. We may get losses in our business. We may not able to do constructions properly. We may get different problems in our daily life. For example, if we want to buy anything like clothes, we want to buy clothes. The shopkeeper says that, Madam, I have discounted 10%. Give me the money. We don't know how to discount the money and that percentages. The shopkeeper says that, Madam, I have discounted the money. Please give me the money. We happily give him the money. We don't know. We gave more money or less money. The another example, we take loans from the money lenders, right? Yes, we usually take loans from the money lenders and for that we have to pay the interest. We don't know how to interest the money. The money lender says that, Madam, I have interested the money. Please give me the money. We happily give him the money. We don't know we gave more money or less money. Like this, we may get too many problems in our daily life if we don't learn mathematics. Without learning mathematics, we are waste to live on the earth. Friends, can you imagine your daily life without mathematics? No, we can't imagine our daily life without mathematics because mathematics is everywhere around us. There are many mathematicians are there in India. Look, Aryabhatta, the great Indian mathematician. Now, the whole world is running with his invention only. It is zero. The Aryabhatta was known as the genius Indian mathematician. Next, Srinivas Ramanujan. He was also a great Indian mathematician. India feels proud of him and celebrates his birthday on December 22nd as National Indian Mathematicians Day. And 1729 was known as Srinivas Ramanujan's number. And Srinivas Ramanujan was also a member of Royal Society. Next, Shakuntala Devi. She was a great woman Indian mathematician. She was an Indian writer and also a poet, and she was popularly known as a mental calculator and a human calculator. With her talent, she earned a place in the Guinness Book of World Records. See, Aryabhatta, Srinivas Ramanujan and Shakuntala Devi. They were belonged to ancient days. Do they have any technology to use? No. In those days, there is no technology to use. But with their hard work and love on the subject, they become a great mathematicians. But today, we have technology and many facilities to use. But we are here only. What are you doing? What am I doing? And what are we doing? Just think 1 second, friends. And next, we all are very well known about Nobel Prize, right? Yes, we all are very well known about the Nobel Prize. Nobel Prize is given for 6 fields. But for mathematics, only for mathematics, the Abel Prize is given. In 2019, Karen Keskula Hallenbeck, she was the first woman to win the Abel Prize for her mathematics in 2019. Friends, just have a look at these constructions. How are they? They are amazing, right? Yes, they are really amazing. Do you know who is the architect of these constructions? Just think 1 second. Yes, he is none other than Mr. Hafiz, the one who we discussed in the beginning. We know that he used to get nightmares about mathematics in his childhood, right? Yes, he used to get mathematics, nightmares and such all things. But with his hard work, he became a great architect. In 2016, he won the Padma Bhushan Award by the President of India, Pranab Mukherjee. Friends, if we do hard work, we may also become like Mr. Hafiz in our future. Friends, we all are discussed that mathematics is about numbers, equations, ratio proportions, power and exponents. No, mathematics is not about ratio proportions, number, formulas, equations and such things. But mathematics is about understanding. It is just about your understanding. If you understand mathematics, it gives you more happiness and enjoyment. Please enjoy the classes with the teacher. If you interact with the teacher, they give you with their hard work and what they have learned today. Friends, I request all you to please keep interest on the subject. If you do it with hard work, please don't feel math as a rock on your head. If you do it with happiness, it gives you happiness and enjoyment. Thank you for everyone who have helped me and supported me. Thanks for TSWREIS channel and Secretary Sir for giving me such type of opportunity.